and welcome to the Villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. I'm Rayvon, one of the Walt Disney World ambassadors, and I am so honored to have you all here for this very important occasion. It's the dedication and the grand reopening of our new resort studios here at the Villas, part of the Villas, of the Disney's Vacation Club, and we have so much to show you. So with that... It's the White Rabbit! Well, it seems as though we have fallen down the rabbit hole already, so let's see. Next up we...
Oh, look at all of these people! Oh, welcome! Oh, what has teeth and when twisted takes you home? That's silly. We all know that we have to hop to go home. Welcome everyone, and a very merry birthday to you, and you, and you, and you, especially you, and you. Oh, what has teeth and when twisted takes you home? I say, what does teeth have to do with it anyway?
Mr. Hatter, please wait for me. What has teeth and when twisted takes you home? I don't know what that means, do you? Probably a bunch of nonsensical nonsense. Oh, hello everyone. Oh, pardon my interruption. It looks like a lovely garden party. Oh, I wish I could stay, but I simply must catch up to the White Rabbit in the Mad Hatter. Do you know which way they went? That way. Oh, yes, that looks like a fine direction. Why, thank you very much. Oh, goodbye. Mr. Hatter, please.
Curiouser and curiouser. Well, I think that's all from our Wonderland friends. Let's give it up for them.
What better place could there be for expansion, right? Celebrated for its Victorian architecture and elegance, the Villas at the Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa is one of our grandest Disney Vacation Club resorts. It's also one of our 3 monorail resort locations. Located right here in the heart of the magic, just a leisurely stroll to Magic Kingdom via the walkable promenade. Disney Vacation Club is the key to magical vacations year after year, and this expansion is a reflection of our continued commitment to provide guests with even more opportunities to make vacation memories.
Well, Bill, I think we should make it official. What do you say?
Absolutely.
I think we...
Should we tell?
I can't wait.
Oh, goodness. You know, we solved it. Yes, we solved the riddle.
What has teeth and when twisted takes you home?
Oh, don't you see? It's a key. A key is the answer to the riddle.
A key has teeth and when twisted takes you home, or you're home away from home.
Yes, it does. Does anyone see it around here? It must be here.
Oh, it's over here.
See if it opens that door, why don't you?
Well, Bill, I think you should do the honors.
Thank you. I officially declare the resort studios at the Villas at the Grand Floridian Resort open. Welcome home.